Are you tired of manually handling all your business activities? Then this video is exactly what you need. Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Pabbly, your one-stop solution for business automation and growth. Today I'm back with this new tutorial video where I will show you how you can turn your WhatsApp into a travel booking machine. And in this video, basically I will show you the step-by-step process of creation of a WhatsApp chatbot inside my Pabbly Chatflow account. And after I have completed the creation, whenever any user will send this WhatsApp chatbot any text message, then this WhatsApp chatbot will reply to those customers automatically on our behalf, and it will help them book their travels for themselves. Now I will take you to my screen, and there we will see a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. Hello everyone, here on my screen you can see this is the flow of our WhatsApp chatbot that I have created to automate my travel booking business. Now without any delay, I will show you a real-time example of how this WhatsApp chatbot will work. So for that, I just have to open my WhatsApp account, and in this chat I will send this keyword hello. After that you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Hi, this is Sky Travel, your WhatsApp travel assistant. Tell me what you'd like. And as I want to view travel packages, so I will click on this button. After that we will see that this WhatsApp chatbot has sent me the list of popular packages, so I will open the list and I will select this particular package from here and I will send it inside this chat. After that you can see that this bot has sent me all the details about this particular package. So if I am satisfied with all of these details and if I want to book this particular package, then I have to click on this yes book now button, or if I am not satisfied, then I can again click on this show other packages. But as I am satisfied with this package, so I will click on this yes book now button. After that we will see that this bot is asking me for my full name, so I will just copy this exact same name from here and I will paste it inside this chat and I will send it in here. After that we will see that this bot is asking me another question, that how many travelers do I have. So I will again just copy this particular 2 adults and 1 child from here and I will send it inside this chat. Then you will see that this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me when would you like to travel. So you can see it has also given me the format in which I have to enter the dates. So I will again copy this exact same date from here and I will send it inside this chat. Then you can see as soon as I will send this date, this WhatsApp chatbot is asking me for my phone number. So I will enter this particular dummy phone number inside this chat and I will send it in here. After that you will see that here this bot is asking me for my email ID. So I will enter this email ID inside this chat and I will send it in here. Then you can see this bot is asking me that if I need anything special, dietary needs, room request or pickup time. So as I need none of them, so I will just type down this none and I will send it inside this chat. Then we can see this bot has sent me the booking summary draft. So you can see this is the draft with all the details that I have given just here to this particular WhatsApp chatbot. So you can see this is the package with this price, these are the dates, travelers, this is my name, this is my phone number, this is the email, and the notes has been written as none. So it is asking me confirm to proceed with booking. So as all of these details are fine and I do not want to edit them, so that's why I will click on this confirm booking button. And now I have also received this and concluding message, booking request received, and it has given me this booking ID and written this text that a travel specialist from Sky will contact you within 2 business hours to confirm payment and finalize itinerary. If you would like immediate help, tap talk to human. So you just saw how easy it was for me to book this travel package for myself with the help of this WhatsApp chatbot. So this was the demo of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will show you how you can also create such an amazing WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So to start creating this WhatsApp chatbot, first of all, I will help you navigate to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you just have to go on a new tab and enter this pabbly.com/chatflow. And by pressing this enter button, you will get directed on this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. In here you will see that these 2 different buttons are given to you, sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user to Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to click on the sign up free button to create your free account. And by creating your free account, you can avail 100 free credits that Pabbly Chatflow gives to every new user every month. And if you are an existing user, then you have to click on the sign in button. But before moving further, I would like to discuss with you guys some details about Pabbly's Facebook community. Pabbly has this amazing Facebook community of over 20,000 members where individuals share their ideas and ask questions from our experts, and here we build and grow together. So if you also want to become part of such an amazing community, then for that you just have to join this community from the link of this particular community that I have added in the description box of this video. Now being an existing user, I will go back to this landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, and in here I will click on this sign in button. This will get me directed on this all apps page of Pabbly where you can see Pabbly has these 7 amazing and powerful applications, but today as I'm going to use this Pabbly Chatflow, that's why I will click on this access now button. This will get get me directed on this dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. So you can see as we are inside this dashboard, the first thing that you have to do is you have to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow by clicking on this button given here, and you can select any of these two different methods, WhatsApp Connect methods or manual token connect method, to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. And on the left side, you can see Pabbly Chatflow has these following amazing features. So if you want to learn in detail about any of these following features, or if you want to learn how to add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow, then for that also you just have to check out the link of those videos that I have added in the description box of this video. And after adding your WhatsApp number, to start creating a WhatsApp chatbot for yourself, you just have to click on this flows, and then from here you have to select this flows. After that, you will get directed on this flow builder page. Here you can see these are all the flows that I have created for myself, and this is the exact same bot that I have shown you in the beginning of this video. So first of all, I will deactivate this particular bot from here, as I'm going to create this exact same bot with you guys. Now to start creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, I just have to click on this add flows button given here. After that, you will see I have got directed on this particular page where this trigger button is visible to me. So this trigger button is like the event on which I want my chatbot to get triggered. We will work on this trigger button later, but first of all, I will give a meaningful name to my WhatsApp chatbot, travel booking WhatsApp chatbot. Now we will work on our trigger steps. So first of all, for this trigger event, from this drop down, I will select this particular keyword or regex match as my trigger event, because I want my chatbot to get started with the help of a regex code that I will enter inside this particular box. So to enter a regex code, you can see this is our regex code, and regex stands for regular expression. This is a universal code with the help of which we can extract keywords from a paragraph. So you can see this enter keyword box is also given to us, but I can kickstart my WhatsApp chatbot with the help of either keyword or this regex match. So as I have already entered this regex, so I will skip these keywords from now. But if I want to add keywords inside this box, then in here I just have to type down this keyword, and as soon as I will press this enter button, this keyword will get added successfully. And afterwards, whenever any customer will send this particular keyword, then this WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered automatically. So I will delete this keyword from here, and with this we will move towards my first action step. So for my first action step, I want to send a welcome message to my customer. So for that, I have dragged in this text button. First of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this welcome message for my customer, where you can see I have entered this exact same text that I have received from my WhatsApp chatbot as soon as I send this hello inside my WhatsApp chat. Now just below this particular text, I will add these two different buttons for my customer to select from. Inside this first button, I will add this text view packages, and inside the second button, I will add this text talk to human. Now we will set up these buttons one by one. So first of all, for this view packages button, I would like to send a list of all the packages that I have to my customer. So from this message features here, I will drag in this list and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles like this, and after that I will enter the header, body and footer of my list. So here I have entered the header, body and footer of my list. Now I will add a section inside this list. For that, I just have to click on this add section button, and you can add as many sections you want inside this particular list of yours. And inside this section, I will add different items for my customer to select from. So you can see, first of all, I will give a name to my particular section as this travel packages, and then inside this first item, I will give the name to this particular title as this Dubai 5-night and 6 days package, and inside this description, I will enter this particular text where you can see I have entered the price of this particular package. So here I have successfully added one item, and inside this list I can add as many items as I want by clicking on this add items button. So you can see as I want to add these 4 different items inside my list, that's why I have to click on this particular item buttons 4 times. Now I will quickly enter the title and descriptions inside each of my remaining items. So here I have successfully framed all of the items of my list. Now I want that whenever any customer selects any of this particular destination for themselves, I want to send them all the details about this particular destination. So to frame that, I will drag in this text button from here and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this enter message box, I will enter this particular message where you can see I have provided all the details about this Dubai package, and just below this text, I will add these 3 different buttons for my customers to select from. So inside this first button, I will enter this text yes book now. Inside the second button, I will enter this text show other package, and inside this last button, I will enter this text talk to human. So just like this, I will quickly set up this text button to all of my remaining items. So here I have added these detailed text buttons to each of my items inside this list. Now I want that whenever any customer selects any of this particular item, and if they click on this yes book now, I want to store the selection made by them. So for that, from this action features here, I will drag in the set custom field and I will drop it in here. Now first of all, I will connect this custom field with this yes book now button. And after that, for this contact custom field drop down, you can see this is the list of contact custom field that I have created for myself. And from this list, I will select this particular selected package because I have created this custom field to store the package selected by my customer. And inside this enter value box, I just have to paste this exact same text that I have entered here. So I will just copy this Dubai 596 days package and I will paste it inside this box like this. Now I have successfully created this contact custom field for this Dubai button so that my customer, whenever they will select this Dubai package for themselves, then this WhatsApp chatbot will remember the selections made by them. So you can see I will quickly add these contact custom fields to each of my remaining buttons. So here I have also added these contact custom fields to my buttons. Now I want that whenever my customer clicks on this second button, show other packages, I want to direct them again back to this list. So I will drag a thread from here and I will connect it with this list, and just like this I will drag a thread from here too, and after that I will drag a thread from these two buttons also, so that whenever my customer clicks on this button show other package inside any of these following details, he will automatically get directed to this particular list. Now we will move further. So now I will show you how you can create a contact custom field for yourself. But before leaving this window, I will advise you to click on this save button, otherwise the flow that you have created here will get lost. Now as our flow is updated successfully, so from the settings here I will select this contact custom field, and in here you can see these are all the contact custom fields that I have created for myself. So to add a new custom field, first of all I have to click on this add more field button, and then I will give a name to this custom field like this, custom, and after that I just have to click on the save button. Then you can see our contact custom field is saved successfully. Now I can access this custom field inside my flow. So you can see this is the flow in which I'm working, and in here when I will click on this drop down of contact custom field, you can see this is the exact same contact custom field that I have created just now. Now we will move towards my next action step. So for that I want to ask some questions from my customer. So from this action features here, I will drag in this ask question button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all I will connect this ask question buttons to all of these contact custom fields, and after that inside this enter message box I will enter that particular question which I want to ask to my customer. But before that I will connect these two remaining custom fields with this question button, and now inside this enter message box I will enter this message where I'm asking my customer for their full name. That's why inside this contact custom field drop down I will select this particular custom field full name which I have created to store the name of my customer. So here I will select this contact custom field, and after that for this format I will select this as text because I want my customer to reply to me in this particular format. And then inside this number of attempt box I can give retry attempt to my customer by typing down any number inside this chat, but as I do not want to use this, so I will skip it for now. And for my next action step also I want to ask a question. So you can see I have dragged in this ask question button, and first of all I will connect both of these following circles like this, and after that inside this message box I will enter this particular question where I'm asking my customer that how many travelers do they have. That's why for this contact custom field I will select this particular custom field travelers, and inside this format I will select it as any. Now just like this question I want to ask 5 more questions from my customer. So I will again drag in this ask question button. I will just click on this duplicate button to duplicate these buttons for these 5 times. So I will frame these 5 buttons like this. So in total I wanted to ask 6 questions from my customer. 2 I have already asked and 4 I have framed them. Now I will fill details inside each of these following question buttons one by one. So here I have entered this text inside each of my question buttons. I have also selected their respective custom fields and format. Now inside this first question button you can see I have changed this contact custom field to this customer underscore name because this was the actual contact custom field which I have created to store the name given by my customer. And now for my next action step I want to send my customer their order summary. So for that from this messages features here I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now after connecting both of these following circles inside this particular message box I will enter this summary for my customer where you can see I have mapped the package selected by my customer with the help of this selected underscore package contact custom field which I have created to store the package selected by my customer. And just by applying this dollar sign in front of this contact custom field I can easily map the selections made by my customer. And just like this I have also mapped the dates given by them. I have mapped the number of travelers, customers customer's name, customer's phone, email, and the notes given by them. Now I am asking them confirm to proceed with bookings. That's why below this text I will add these three different buttons for my customer to select from. And now inside this first button I will enter this text confirm booking. Inside the second one I will enter this text edit info, and inside this last button I will enter this particular text talk to human. And now we will frame these buttons one by one. So if my customer clicks on this add info button, then I want to direct them again back to this particular first question. So from here I will drag a thread and I will connect it with this particular question button like this. Now for this first button I want to send another text message to my customer, so I will again drag in this text button, and after connecting both of these following circles I will enter the message inside this box. And here you can see I have entered this message booking request received. I have also provided my customer with their booking ID, and in below this text you can see I have entered this a travel specialist from Swift Sky will contact you, and if you would like to immediate help tap talk to human. So just below this text I will add these two different buttons. In the first button I will enter this text talk to human, and inside the second button I will enter this text main menu, so that my customer can also go back to main menu if they want to. So I will just drag a thread from here and I will connect it with this main menu button. So you can see this was our main menu button, so I will connect it with this particular main menu. And now I will frame this talk to human button. So for this I will drag a question from here and I will drop it in here. Now first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this question box I will enter this particular text where you can see I have entered this text, please down your issue below to help our assistant be prepared. And inside this contact custom field I will select this particular requests, and inside this format I will select it as text. And now after this particular question I want to send a concluding message. So for that from this message features here I will drag in this text button and I will drop it in here. Now first of all I will connect both of these following circles, and then inside this box I will enter this particular text, thanks, our agent will be with you in a moment. Now you can see wherever I have created this talk to human button I will just connect that particular button with this particular question. So the first button I have connected, this is the second button. I will drag a thread from here and I will connect it with this particular question. After that we will go back and you can see here in all of these buttons I have also added this particular buttons talk to human, so I will connect them quickly. So here I have connected all of these threads. With this I have successfully completed the creation of this WhatsApp chatbot. Now I will click on this save button to save the flow that I have created here, otherwise this WhatsApp chatbot will not work as expected. And after that we just have to go on my WhatsApp account and check if this WhatsApp chatbot is working properly or not. So I will open my WhatsApp account and in here I will send this message, show me travel packages. After that you will see that our WhatsApp chatbot will get triggered instantly, and here it has sent me this welcome message. Now I can interact with this WhatsApp bot if I want to book a travel package for myself. So here with this I have successfully demonstrated how you can create a travel WhatsApp chatbot for yourself with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you want to clone this flow, then you can do that by copying the link of this flow from the description box of this video. And if you like this video, then please consider subscribing to Pabbly's YouTube channel, and for more such amazing videos please do comment below on which topics do you want to see videos from us. And thank you for watching this video. Not just this, you can create many more WhatsApp chatbots to automate your business with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And if you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. And for your queries, you can ask them at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you have to check up this following website. Now, what are you waiting for? Just go and create your free account at Pabbly Chatflow.